It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and it's time for Lidl's Oktoberfest. Excuse my ways, I'm in the middle of doing some work, but I took some time out to get to Lidl and buy some of this. I just love this time of year, Oktoberfest. I like trying all the different foods, the different beers on show. But what I want you to do, in the comments box on this video, is just, if you've got a little bit of kind of know-how with the food, what I should pair with which beer, that would be a really helping hand for me, because I'm going to be honest with you, I've never had a schnitzel weiner ad before. I've never had Bierwurst before, or chicken strips with pretzel coating and lingonberry dip. That's probably a UK style kind of Oktoberfest, isn't it? I doubt the Germans indulge in that too much. We've got some Kaiserkrainer, Emmental cheese stuffed smoked pork and beef sausage. Sounds fantastic. These look interesting. I like my potato. Kass noodle. Dumplings with potato, cheese curd and mint filling. They should be absolutely fantastic. We got some Obanzda, some mini Hein cheese schnitzel, I think I got that right, mini chicken escallops, and I'm not sure if I got that up to the camera earlier on, 500 grams. So this whole, I got most of it, all of this come to £42. The beers were 25. That works out at £2.50 a bottle because you get 10 beers. So the food has come in at, how's my maths, £17 for this food. And for all that food, I think that's perfectly acceptable. So you can probably see the beers here. I think we should get them open. Oh, look at this, it folds down. They've really thought about this, Lidl. They've really thought about this. Look at this. Wonderful. And you've got a beer tasting, the guide for your beers. So there's some things about maybe the different brewers. Oh, and they're actually telling you what food to eat. So there we are. Maybe I'll have a look at this voucher as well. This booklet. The different style of German beers, just to educate a little bit. I think I said this a month ago. There's another brewer's advent calendar. I think we've done one of those before. This is just fantastic. Look at this. Look at all the we might have this 12 beers of Christmas as well from Germany in a couple of months' time. And then you've got your beer tasting notes on the back. But I've said this every year. Lidl seem to up their game with Oktoberfest. And not just Lidl, but the people of the UK are taking on board Oktoberfest and the fun of it, the enjoyment, as much as the Germans. And I think that's the reason why Lidl, Aldi, some of the other bigger supermarkets might get involved, are getting involved and you know, making an effort like this. So here's some of the beers. Erlkönig Festbier, ABV, 6.1% ABV. So the other thing about Oktoberfest, if this is new to you, is that the beers are slightly stronger. They're like about 6% ABV. Hohenthanner, Schlossbrauerei, Märzen, Festbier, 5.6% ABV. Pichelsteiner Festbier, Falter. Now, somebody help me in the comments box how to pronounce that one. Pichelsteiner. I have reviewed this one. It's a fantastic beer. Hofbräu Oktoberfestbier. I might just enjoy that one to myself. There's a video on YouTube if you want to see our Hofbräu Oktoberfest beer. Samma, Wieder, Guad, Kuchlbauers, Gillamoos beer. Interesting one. And that's coming in ABV, 5.6% ABV. Oh, it's boiling. Oh, it is red hot here in the UK at the moment. Bischofshof Original Festbier. And this one's coming in at 5.4% ABV. Irlbacher Premium. Volksfestbier. 5.6% ABV. This one's going to be a brilliant one. Schneider Weisse, one of my favourite German breweries. Festweisse Weissbier. 6.2% ABV. Teisnacher 1543 Festbier. 5.4% ABV. And last but not least, good job I didn't drop the bottles earlier. Last but not least, Wildbräu Kirtabier, and this one's coming in at 5.7% ABV. So, don't need the box anymore, we'll get rid of that. We'll keep our tasting notes. I'm going to go and put what needs to go in the fridge, freeze it in the freezer. Comment in the comments box. Let me know which foods should go with which beer. Which beers are you looking forward to the most? Which food are you looking forward to the most? In fact, how do you eat this? Do you slice it and fry it? The beerwurst? Do you slice it and put it in a sandwich? I don't know. I've never had it before. If you have, let me know in the comments box. I hope you like this video. I'm really looking forward to getting into all of this different German Festbier, Oktoberfest stuff. It's going to be great. Thanks for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.